In Creo Parametric, the curve from cross-section command does exactly what it says it does. It allows you to create a datum curve from a cross-section. Let's take a look at how to use this. First, I'm going to create a plane for where I want my cross-section to be. Let's select that surface. I'll hold down the Control key and select the other surface, and it automatically defaults to the midplane. Let's click the OK button. Now from the View tab, we can click on Section, and we're getting a cross-section through there. I always like to use the default color. I think it looks nice. You can turn on hatching if you want. And for the name of it, let's call it cross-section A. Now I will hit the check mark, right-click on the cross-section in order to both deactivate it and also turn off the hatching. And to create my datum curve now, two different ways of executing the command. You could go to the Model tab, and then the datum overflow and the curve flyout menu, and then choose curve from cross section. Here we get the ribbon, and from the drop down list you could select the available cross sections from the model. The references tab is just going to list that cross section. The properties tab allows you to change the name of the curve if you want to, and then hit the check mark or the middle mouse button in order to complete the feature. Let's turn off the datum plane display real quick and select the curve so you can see what it looks like. And now this is a regular datum curve, and you can use it for all the other different uses for datum curves. You could use it to create other datums, you could use it for surfaces, so forth and so on. And you could even use it for sketches. For example, let's say I wanted to create a sketch. I'm just going to pick this surface to sketch on. An easy way of grabbing all the different entities, let's go to the project command and then choose loop, and then grab one of the entities on there, and it grabs all of them. Let's click the close button. Obviously my screen is cluttered with all the different constraints. Let me use the in-graphics toolbar to turn off the constraints display. We can see all the different entities that are generated there. Then hit the check mark. And since it's just a sketch, like any other sketch, I could use it for creating other different features like another extrude or a revolve or whatever fill feature, whatever feature that you want to create. All right, let's cancel out of there. And so that's how you can use the curve from cross-section command in part mode. Be aware you can also use it in assemblies. And before I jump over to my assembly, let me turn off the display of those. Here I am in my assembly. Let's select the datum plane that we're going to use for creating a section. From the Properties tab, let's rename this one to B since I used A already in the other part. I will hit the check mark for this, and let's click on the cross section to deactivate it, turn off the display of the hatching, and for creating our curve from a cross section, oops, didn't turn it off. There we go. For creating the curve from the cross section, you can right click on the cross section, and here we have the curve from cross section command. I will click on it. There we see our curve created, and to make it easier to see, let's just select all the different components in the model tree and hide them, and there you can see the curve created as an assembly level feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindshield.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.